Welcome to John 316 Auto and Home channel. Don't forget to subscribe and add your comments in the comment section below. Turn the car ignition on without running the engine. After that, push the gas pedal 5 times. Turn the ignition off and then, start the car completely. This completes the oil change reset. You can verify this by going to the system information on your dashboard. Thanks for watching and visiting this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and add your comments in the comment section below.